Are these budget earbuds a steal or a total scam? Let's find out. First, let's see what's in the box. We've got the earbuds themselves, a charging case, and a charging cable, and hopefully some extra ear tips for a better fit. Taking a closer look, the build quality seems okay for the price. The plastic doesn't feel super premium, but there are no obvious defects. The charging case is compact and lightweight. It has a standard charging port and some LED indicators to show the battery level. Now, let's pair these with my phone. Just go to your Bluetooth settings and look for the R7010 in the list of available devices. Time for the most important part, the sound. I'm going to play a variety of tracks to test the bass, mids, and highs. Okay, after listening to several songs, the sound quality is well, it's decent for the price. The bass is a bit muddy, and the highs are slightly tinny, but overall, it's not terrible. Next, let's test the call quality. I'm making a quick call to see how clear my voice sounds and how well I can hear the other person. So, are the R7010 earbuds worth it? Pros: they are affordable, lightweight, and compact. Cons: the sound quality is average and build materials are cheap. If you need a super cheap pair, they will work, but don't expect high-end sound quality.